How to share photos from iPhone to Android and still keep the best quality possible. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. So let's say I want to share a couple of photos like I have over here. The best way to do it from an iPhone to another iPhone is by simply airdropping it. That's how you keep the best quality. But on Android, you can't do that, of course. So the best app, in my opinion, is simply Google Drive. This is one of the best apps in order to still preserve the best quality. So what you want to do is either you can click on a photo, then click on the share button in the bottom left. And then here at the bottom, you should see Drive somewhere. If not, you can click on more. And then here you can also see Drive. Just like that. And now I can add it to my Drive. Or what you can also do is simply go to the Drive app and then click on the bottom right on this plus icon. Then click on upload. Or you can create a folder first, but I'm just going to click on upload. Then select a bunch of photos you want and then simply click on upload on the top right. And now, as you can see, we're now uploading 3 pictures to Google Drive. And yeah, this will now keep us with the best quality photos. Now, as you can see, we have these 3 pictures over here. We can now see them and they're still in the best quality possible. Now I can simply go to another Android, download the Google Drive app, log into my Google account, and there they will be all here. Or if you just want to share a folder or whatever to another person, so not particularly you, then you can also click on these 3 dots, click on share, and then you can add someone's email address in there. What you can also do is click on the 3 dots, then click on copy link. And now we have also copied the link to the clipboard, which we can send to someone as well. But you do have to manage the access, I believe. And then you have to set it to anyone with link. So now anyone with the link can actually view it and download it. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.